Mama Jesus, Afamubu, Madam Theresa Mimbojiso, all the way from Ebe.
Marum.
Abagana, how would you know? I remember you have a short-term memory and all. Joining me today, you know her, Calista, Nedolisa, Abalaka, no one.
That was sure.
Sorry, Abalaka, Calista.
Better.
Welcome to the show. Agbala Calista. Let's just get right on.
It's a fuga of what say, baby. The Kwafoka can be LGBTQ.
I'm sure you would know. Didn't your son come out the other day to you? How are you taking it?
Son of money.
Don't deny it now. I mean, I thought you accepted your son.
My son now for the wedding. I'm a feel like
son of one, even though he's gay.
Nico, let's focus on the show.
Yeah, let's do that.
I don't know what you're talking about.
How would you? So I get met today, beginning homographs. Yes. Okay. Homographs in Igbo language.
What can I
do? Homographs.
Imaro. Well, I could be dying, man.
But just tell me if you have,
Imaro.
I like when kids, accept your ignorance.
I'm very ignorant.
Oh, get a couple.
I'm very ignorant.
Get a couple.
I just want to be sure name me feeling.
What's that name? Hey, it's in ACC.
Oh, that Uze. But then call the folk have fun again. You don't put the know that backlog. Analog. Any digital. You will hear on our leaf or brogo with the stress sack again.
Well, I'm kind of yellow maca with Dengala.
When I'm Galabro, they give the very point where you go. Can't afford the plastic and fancy.
Let's just go. Homographs. Words that have the same spelling but could either have different meanings or different pronunciations. The first set of words. King versus iron. Now, king, Igwe. That's one of the ways to say, king in Igbo. Igwe. Iron, Igwe. Igwe. They're spelled the same way.
Yeah.
But you can see how they have different pronunciations as well as different meanings. Igwe. Igwe.
Yeah.
Oh yes. So the next set of words: head, smell, to cook, as well as blindness. Now these words, translated to Igbo, all have the same spelling,
different meanings,
but different meanings and different pronunciations. Starting from head,
isi.
Smell,
isi.
To cook, isi. Then blindness, isi. So you see the variations there.
Of course.
Isi.
Hey! Oh, yeah, that put a good I got to see you for Bastille.
The next words we'll be discussing beginning buttocks and strength. Can you kind of buttocks, Igbo? Ike. Oh, yes. Strength. I'm looking at
one years ago, Tule. Strength to be Ike.
Yes, true. When they guys go Otule. But we're focusing on Ike. Then strength. Ike. Yes. Speaking of buttocks, my dear, how is your BBL doing?
I don't know anything.
You're still denying it.
I'm not.
Be proud of the
I go kill them when we did a sheep doctor quack. Well, what does this happen? I just got a picture of a guy. Look at the way the and Kiddy. I'm not trust.
Oh my goodness!
Jealous of me.
I'm jealous of you.
Oh yes. Calista, when you finish eating, I don't worry, if a politician is not a doctor.
But can you tell us why about the flat?
About the flat. Okay, so get guys forget that. Who actually be fed catch the busy. If Jolie is dry, Emma Kiara, no, they can get a point. That should would be audience again. That one would have.
Let's get right on to the next set of words.
Okay.
We have cry, mattress, clothing, and egg. You can what cry?
Aqua.
Oh yes, mattress. Aqua. Clothing. Aqua. Egg.
Aqua.
Speaking of aqua, that's what you smell like. Terrible. Producers, we got bottle air freshener. Let's go right on to the final.
I choose to ignore you because I get very massive. Let's move on.
I
cannot reduce myself to your level. Let's move on. I have some appointments, even business appointments and political meetings this evening.
Sorry, ma.
Thank you.
The last set of words, actually, were king and teeth. You know, we already talked about king earlier in the show as Igwe. But we have on Igbo, you know, king, which is what?
Eze.
Eze. Yes. Spelled E-Z-E. Give me kind of teeth.
Eze.
Eze. Then where Eze. Where Eze.
This is Sunday. I try to keep it on the low, but it's okay. I will recommend something for you. I will recommend.
Yes, please do.
It's
my show, my dear. Get your own show, but I think you're too broke to do that. So, thank you so much for doing that.
That's not broke. That's not broke.
Who funded what show? Can your husband even fund his own election? I'm not gonna let you kill you. Go for me.
I'm not betting you some beam hilatosis.
It's called halitosis. I don't expect you to know. You're not learn it. Madam Theresa. All the way from Abagala and my wonderful guest.
Calista Nedolisa. Abalaki be one. Calista, Umyo Mabala. Abala Abopota. Theresa. Emina. Obi. Ngwan.
Oh, you remember my Igbo name? Oh, thank you. Cardinal. My goodness, I should call you for some, private acting gigs. I and my friends will be pleased.
Désolé. Excusez-moi. Quelle sorte de production?
What?
Private acting gig?
Oh, it's just, you being very dramatic in front of a group of renowned women.
On peut parler après?
What does that mean?
We can talk about that later.
Of course we can. Let's do it.